Live unboxing on a new brush that I just got. Anyway, it's Christmas time here in beautiful Pensacola, Florida. We're pouring live from beautiful Northwest Florida, and that's Pensacola, Florida. If you do not know, welcome to my channel, Melly Mel Shades. If you guys like traditional wet shaving, men's fragrances and giveaways, and apparently unboxings, you might want to, well, I invite you to like and subscribe and comment and share my channel. In this episode, I was going to show you a live unboxing, a new brush that I got from Ryan over there at Turningbytanz. Anyway, later. All right, as I said, let's get into it. I got my trusty Civivi pocket knife. Love this knife. Little note. Mel, thank you, my friend. Ryan Tanzi. Guys, if you're in the traditional, if you are a true traditional wet shaver, hey, you gotta at least have one or two, maybe three. Turningbytanz brush. All right, let's go. His iconic logo. Love his sticker. There you go. Love this brush. There's this famous coin. And I cannot wait to use this knot. This is synthetic. This is Ryan's favorite. I told him, hey, let's put a synthetic knot, and this is 26 millimeter fan, and this is his favorite knot. I'm going blank right now on the type of knot, synthetic knot. I'll leave it right here somewhere, but I cannot wait to use this knot as well. But look at this pour. Love this pour. Love it. Has my Florida State colors. Love it. Thank you, Ryan. And as always, man, anytime you get a Tanzy brush from Ryan, man, let me tell you something. These videos and pictures, as I say, it just doesn't give it any justice, man. It looks so much more beautiful in person. Love this one, man. I cannot wait to try this one out. Love it. And as always, Ryan always gives great customer service. Man, thank you, Ryan. Beautiful brush. Love it, love it, love it. Man, this knot is super soft too. Feels like soft, airy clouds. I don't know. I never felt a cloud before, but I guess if you want to know how a cloud feels, get this knot. Wow. Can't wait. But look at this pour again. Woo-hoo. Anyway, guys and gals, I could talk to you all day, all night, but I'm going to say thank you for watching this video. If you're watching this video, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys. Until the next one, do not forget, life is tough, but guess what? So are you. Even I'm going through something. So let's be tough together. Anyway, one love from beautiful Pensacola, Florida. Until the next episode. Later, YouTube. Ryan, you killed it. Turningbytanz brush. Love it. And I cannot wait to use this one. Cannot wait. Later, guys.